Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you UAE school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.dr.school. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page of DR International School Fujairah. In this main page right corner careers available. If you click this link you can get what are the teaching job vacancies. Primary homeroom teacher, physics teacher, school nurse, PE teacher, librarian, teaching assistant, Arabic teacher. So these are all the vacancies. So if you are interested in these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. If selected, you will experience highly experienced Arabic team, dedicated advisory board, excellent head of section, great students, and school with mass of potential and personality. Once you can get the job, you can get what are the competitive package. So competitive salary, accommodation, annual return airfare, medical insurance, commitment to professional development, happy workplace. So how to apply these job vacancies? If you click this link, now hiring Arabic teacher, Emirate graduate and experienced Arabic teacher, you can click this link. You can get teaching job opportunities. You can send your CV to recruitment@dr.school. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.viss.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Victoria International School UAE. In this main page, left corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option our community. If you click this link our community, you can get one option of careers. So what are the teaching job vacancies for Victoria International School UAE? So head of school and teaching vacancies for January 2022, primary school teacher, kindergarten 2 teacher, art teacher, SEN and intervention teacher, primary teacher. So these are all the vacancies for January 2022. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can submit your CV, cover letter and application form. Enter the position applied for in the subject line. Only completed application will be considered. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So what we offer? So we offer opportunities, ongoing professional development promotion, employment package, teaching staff including accommodation allowance, housing, medical insurance, travel insurance, subsidized tuition up to 2 children, salaries tax free and includes on end of service contract gratuity. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. So Victoria International School application form we can check from here. If you click this link application form, you can get one PDF. So application form for Victoria International School. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. So first one is personal detail. There are 4 sections in this application form. We will require to upload up-to-date CV, maximum of 2 pages. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin the process. The second one is present employment, previous employment, professional references. Then finally you can give a declaration. Once you declare, you can submit this completed application form with your current CV to carriers@visscentralreligion.ae. So if you want more details about this job, you can click this link. Head of school details, you can get everything in the page itself. So head of school role description and application detail, role profile, key selection criteria, the process. So what is the first interview process? Phase 1 is application made to the school, closing date is 5th January 2022. So fill in the application form and provided a CV and letter of application that addresses to key selection criteria. Phase 2 is shortlisting of candidate. January 5 to 12. And phase 3, shortlisted candidate identified and notified by 16th January. And phase 4, face-to-face interview, late January or early February. 20 minutes presentation, panel interview, minimum 2 people, one could be on Zoom. Key selection criteria. Then phase 5, final interviews, late February and early March. So selected candidate join between April and August 2022. So what are the professional requirement and remuneration and benefits they are given here. The successful candidate and family, you can get these remunerations. So benefit for eligible dependent and benefit for the teachers. So all the details available. So make sure before applying, please check. Once you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.ourownSchool.jobs. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of our own English high school Fujairah. In this main page, right corner, one option available, job vacancies. If you click this link, job vacancies, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for our own English high school Fujairah. First one is vice principal, social worker. So vice principal, if you want the details, you can click this link, view details. So we are hiring vice principal, location Fujairah, closing date is December 31st, 2021. So they are looking enthusiastic and passionate professionals. Qualification, candidate should be postgraduate with B.Ed or M.Ed with a minimum 5 years of experience as vice principal or academic supervisor. Work experience should be in the CBSE and IGCSE. Studies should have been completed as a regular course and not through the correspondence or distance learning. All applicants must be proficient in English and conversant in IT skills. So candidate with required qualification and experience should send on email careers@our-own.school. So kindly mention the job reference number VB013 in the subject while sending the email. Only shortlisted candidate will be called for an interview. So candidates who are available to join immediately are preferred. So send your resume to careers@our-own.school. This is vice principal vacancy. The closing date is December 31st, 2021. So before that you can submit your applications. The second one is social worker female. If you want more details about this job, you can click this link, view detail. The social worker closing date is December 31st, 2021. The location is Fujairah and qualification is candidate should be graduate in psychology with minimum 2 years of experience in the relevant field. Work experience should be in the education sector. Well versed in both English and Arabic. All applicants must be proficient in English and IT skills. So candidate with record qualification and experience should send an email to careers@our-own.school. So kindly mention the job reference number SOW014 in the subject while sending the email. Only shortlisted candidate will be called for an interview. So candidate who are available to join immediately are preferred. So send your resume to careers@our-own.school. So these two are the vacancies for our own English high school Fujairah. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV December 31st, 2021. So these are all the vacancies for English high school Fujairah. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. I hope you can get a great job. Good luck with your job search. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.